In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a ticket in HubSpot. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process, ensuring you can confidently manage your customer interactions and inquiries seamlessly. So let's get started. Firstly, we need to navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and head over to www.hubspot.com. HubSpot is an all-in-one tool that can assist businesses with marketing, sales, and customer service, so having easy access is key. Once you're on the HubSpot homepage, the next step is to log in. Look for the login button, typically found in the top right-hand corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one first to follow along with these steps. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home dashboard. This is the main hub from where you can access all of HubSpot's features. Here you'll see multiple options, but for today we'll turn our attention towards the CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management. So navigate to the CRM section. You can easily find this option either in the top menu or as a card selection on your dashboard. CRM is a vital tool in managing your interactions with customers and ensuring a smooth communication flow. Now, within the CRM dashboard, locate and click on the Tickets option. Tickets in HubSpot are utilized for tracking customer inquiries and issues, allowing you to organize and manage these interactions effectively. Once you click on Tickets, you'll see an interface that helps streamline this process. To create a new ticket, you'll want to click on the Create Ticket button, easily identifiable, usually at the top right of the tickets page. This is where you'll start the ticket creation process, enabling you to register the customer's issue or request. Now it's time to add the necessary details. You'll need to fill in the required fields such as the ticket name or a brief description of the issue and select the appropriate pipeline and status. The more information you provide, the easier it will be to manage and resolve the issue promptly. Finally, after inputting all the relevant details and double checking for accuracy, you can click on the Create button. This will officially add the ticket to your system, and from there you can continuously track, update, and manage it as needed. And that's it, you've successfully created a ticket in HubSpot. With these tickets, you'll find it much simpler to handle and respond to customer inquiries, enhancing your company's service efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you gain more confidence in using HubSpot. Don't forget to subscribe and tune in for more tutorials.